Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello friends, so in this video we are going to see how to make mathematics as a simple one. So today we are going to see about the 4 basic concepts of mathematics and its simple tricks. So now let me get into the video. By first we are going to see about the addition of two numbers. It contains 2 categories. Category 1 small number and 2 is large number. First let me see the small number. When we have to add 47 plus 53, so first we have to consider the first number. We can write 47 as 40 plus 7. Similarly, we can also write 53 as 50 plus 3. And another way we can write 47 can be written as 50 minus 3, and 53 can also be written as 60 minus 7. So remember all these 4 steps. It will be useful in our next step. Our next step is to add both them. 47 plus 53 can be written as 40 plus 7 as we seen before, plus 53. We know that when we add this single digit, that is tens digit, to some number, it will be easier to us. For example, in first step you can see 40 plus 7 plus 53. When we added both numbers 40 and 53, it will be little easier when we not consider the ones digit, because it's just a 0. Just add 4 and 5, it's 93. Then you have to add the remaining number 7. So we can easily say that 93 plus 7 might be 100. Similarly, 47 plus 53 is equal to 50 minus 3 plus 53. It's just simple. Even you can add 50 plus 53 and then minus 3, or else you can just remove the 3 from 53, because 53 minus 3 is equal to 50, and 50 plus 50 will give us 100. Similarly, both 2 steps are there. You can watch it out. So next we are going to add 2 large numbers. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? It's 100. So you have to round off from that 100. Okay, when I round off this as first one as 597 could be rounded off as 600 minus 3, and also you can also do 500 plus 97, but when we have to add, it will be little confusing because 97 is a complex number when we add something. So it would be an easy one. 600 minus 3 is better than 500 plus 97. So on the next number 403, that is easy one. 400 plus 3. It's simple as simple. Remember these both steps. And when you have to add both of them, you just have to do 597 plus 403 is equal to 600 minus 3 as we saw in previous step, and plus 403. 403 minus 3 will become 400. 600 plus 400 gives 1000. Similarly the next step. So let me pass on to the next topic. Subtraction of two numbers. It also contains 2 topics, small number and large number. So small number. First take the lowest number, that is 54. So we have to round off this towards the highest number. So when we added 6, it will be round off. So keep in mind we have added 6, right? Now 60. How can we subtract this 77 minus 60? How much we will get? Yeah, it's just simple, 17. Now we have already added 6 and we have added 17. So the subtracted value would be 17 plus 6, that is 23. Now we are going to see subtraction of large numbers, that is 597 minus 403. In this case we have to consider this as hundreds digits. So 597 as similar as we have seen 600 minus 3 and 400 plus 3. Now when we have to subtract this, we have to take the lowest number, that is here 403. To get the 500 we have to add 97, right? You should not have to consider this to 400 to minus something, so don't consider this because you must have to go ahead, I mean towards the largest number. So the smallest round of number towards the largest number is 500. So to get that we have to add 97. So then now our value is 500. Now it's simple, 597 minus 500 would be 97. We have already added 97, so combine both of them. 97 plus 97 would be 194. That's the answer of subtraction. So now let me move on to the next topic, multiplication of two numbers. There are 4 subtopics: by 2, by 11 ending in 1, both between 11 and 19. So when we have to multiply by 2, it's as simple as 57 into 2 is always equal to 57 plus 57. Just add the number by 2 times. So now next topic is by 11. So to do this you have to put a dash between the number. Maybe it is 2-digit number, put between the 1 that is ones and tens. If it is a 4-digit number, put next to the hundred space. So here there is a 2-digit number, put a dash between 1 and 5. So add the digit and put in the dash, that is here this is 1-5, and in between the dash you have to add the both numbers, that is 1 and 5. So answer is 6. Fill it in the dash. So 165 would be the answer. So now next, ending in 1. You can take any number of any digits that could end in 1. So I took 51 into 31. It will be little complex to multiply. It won't be easy one. So let me see what are the steps they have given. First, multiply numbers other than once a digit, that is 5 and 3. It would be 15. And add numbers other than once a digit. Then you just have to multiply 5 and 3 and add 5 and 3, and that would be the 8. So now you have to combine both of them, join multiple and added values together, that is I multiplied at 15 and added 8. Just place 1 on the next digit, that would be the number. If you don't trust me, use a calculator and calculate it. Then now we are going to see between 11 and 19. Okay, 14 is a number between 11 and 19, and 18 also is that. Here you have to take the largest number. Take the largest number first, and largest number plus one's digit of smallest number, that is 14, that one's digit is 4. Add them, and 18 plus 4, that would be 22. Now multiply the answer of step 1 by 10. It's just add a 0 in that number, that is 220. Next, multiply both one's digit, that is 4 into 18, that would be 32. On the next step, you just have to add numbers step 2 and step 3. 220 plus 32, that is 252. That's the answer. Now it's our final topic, division of two numbers. It contains 4, 5 and 25. So When we asked to divide it by 4, you just keep in mind 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So we can easily divide it as divided by 2. Just 64 divided by 2, 32, 32 divided by 2, 16. That's the answer. When we asked to divide it by 5, you just place a point before the last digit. So here 75. The last digit is 5, before the last digit 7.5. So right now we have to multiply the answer that we got in step 1 by 2. That's the answer for this question. You can take any multiples of 5. Next 25. So here I have took as 150 divided by 25 as the example. Place a point before the last two digits of dividend, that is 150, that can be written as 1.50. Now multiply the answer that you has got in first step by 4. Here you have to keep in mind that 25 can be written as 100 divided by 5. So when we have to multiply, it will be inversed. It can be 150 can be divided by 100 and also multiplied by 4. That is the step I have used. The answer would be 6. If you like this video, share this to your friends. To get more videos like this, subscribe to Learn the New Planet channel. If you have any doubt, ask it in the comment section.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.